To get started with making grapefruit juice, grab a ripe grapefruit, wash and peel it, then grab half a cup of water. The water will balance the acidity levels without compromising the taste, and won't have too much pulp. Grab the grapefruit water and add it into the blender. Break the grapefruit into small pieces. Large pieces tend to get stuck during the blending process. Once the grapefruit is broken down, switch the blender to smoothie and blend everything until it's smooth. This makes about 1 3/4 cups of juice.
Besides having tons of vitamin C and essential mineral that defends against bacteria development in the body, grapefruit juice is a great cleanse for a healthy digestive system, urinary tract, and purifies the kidneys. It helps the metabolism to break down foods, so it's great to drink with meals. And the fiber also helps you feel satisfied so you don't overeat. And you don't have to drink 10 gallons of this to get the health benefits. Just drink in moderation. Grapefruit is one of the most acidic fruits, so rinse your mouth with water afterwards and wait 30 minutes before brushing your teeth. You can use a straw to drink with too, to reduce contact with your teeth. And drinking it while eating will also dilute the acidity. Once the grapefruit is digested, it will become alkaline in the body. The benefits of making your own grapefruit juice is that there will be no preservatives, additives, or artificial flavors. Store in fridge and drink within 1 to 2 days. If you're taking medication, skip out on grapefruit juice. Certain medications can interact with grapefruit, tripling the effect of the medication. It is not recommended to consume it daily with medication, and to wait 72 hours for the medication to be out of the system to start consuming grapefruit or grapefruit juice again.